at Foresight, testing and reviewing Raw Beauty Kristi ColourPop. Welcome to Fabulous Life 101. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right now. Really excited to hear that Raw Beauty Kristi has a new partnership with ColourPop, and this is the palette. It's called At Foresight. All of the colors are based on the colors of her native Washington state. I love to see things like this happen. Raw Beauty Kristi is a regular girl next door from Washington state who started a YouTube channel a few years ago. And just by being natural and fun, she collected enough followers to get a partnership with ColourPop, this amazing little company. So I'm testing this palette today. I love supporting YouTubers, and she's a great one to support. I recommend buying this. It's very affordable on ColourPop.com. This press powder palette has 12 pins. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Now I'm going to give you the swatches. This is Puffball. This is Chanterelle, Rainier, Old Growth, Evergreen, West Coast. That's the pretty shiny gold. Homegrown, Amanta, Fiddlehead. It's a pretty green. Emerald, or Emerald City actually. P&W, Pacific Northwest, and Let It Rain, as it does quite a bit up there. I'm going to try today and do just sort of a nice Thanksgiving fall look. I'm going to start with this color Old Growth, which is a beautiful nude, and I'm going to do that on my eyelids. And I'm getting out the kitty mirror. I'm really liking the formula to this. I love ColourPop. The quality for the price that they charge is just excellent. I think I'm going to go in with this color called P&W, which is sort of a darker blue, a very rich, deep bluish color. And I'm going to do that as a sort of a liner. I am getting some fallout on this color. Let me get a tissue. Yeah, just a little bit of fallout down here. Next, I'm going to take this color Puffball and go right in along the crease. And right in here. And just sort of emphasize the crease here. To give it a little bit of shine, I'm going to take Evergreen and go in the corners. And finally, to go for the glitter, I'm going in with West Coast and just going over the eyelid with that. I'm pressing it this deep on here. And I know a lot of people like to use their fingers for this. I usually prefer a brush. Find it's less fallout. It goes on a little smoother. So again, just sort of tapping along the main part of the eyelid. Give it that shine. Okay, that's just a nice, good day look. If I wanted to go in for a little more glam, what I might do is take this packing brush and maybe go in with some, let's just give it a little more of an orange hue and go with this Chanterelle. Don't want to put too much on the brush. And if I take the Chanterelle and just sort of go in from the outer edge in, and that brightens it up a bit, doesn't it? I could just take my blending brush and blend it a little more. I'm liking this. Okay, next I'm going to put on my mascara and I'll be right back. Mascara's done, look is complete. I'm really liking this palette. Congratulations, Kristi. I'm so happy for you. Keep up the good work. Again, Raw Beauty Kristi palette available on ColourPop.com. If you haven't checked out her channel, look up Raw Beauty Kristi. She's got some good makeup reviews and overall interesting, entertaining content. Is there a palette or something you'd like for me to review? Please leave a link down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.